How to add photos on Tinder from camera roll. Want to upgrade your Tinder profile with photos from your phone? Here's how to add pictures directly from your camera roll in just a few taps. First, launch the Tinder app on your device. Now tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap edit profile. Here tap complete profile to start customizing your profile. Under your current profile, that is the media, you can see the plus icon to add new images. As I have already added 3 images, you can add 6 more right here. Now to add the photo from your gallery, tap on this plus icon and tap on upload from gallery, and you can choose anyone from here, like choose it from the recents, tap on recent and tap on your photo like this. Once you tap on the photo, tap on done, and just like that your photo will be uploaded. Repeat the same process for adding the next photo like this. Tap on upload from library, that is from your gallery, and your photo is being uploaded just like this. And that's it, your Tinder profile just got a major photo upgrade. Tap and done. Yes, that's it. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our other videos. Thank you for watching.